Let's take a look at the best video editing apps to use in 2020. And as usual, we have the links to all the apps mentioned in this video in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 6. FilmoraGo. If you're an Android user looking for a simple and practical way to edit online videos that doesn't involve a steep learning curve, FilmoraGo is worth a look. It's very easy to use and can help make your videos look impressively professional thanks to a range of themed filters and effects. Unlike its desktop sibling, it's also free to download and won't stamp a watermark or place a time limit on your clip either, so it's well worth giving a try. Admittedly, some in-app purchases are available, such as songs and effects, but your videos can work perfectly well without them, and the internal ads aren't especially intrusive either. Number 5. iMovie for iOS. iMovie is the most powerful of Apple's own video editing apps, and it's been shipping free with new Apple devices for a while now. It's not as powerful as Luma Fusion, but on the plus side, that means it offers a clean, intuitive interface that makes it easy to edit footage and add titles, music, voiceovers, and photos. First launched in 2010, the latest version of the app supports 4K on iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPad Air 2, iPad Pro, and later devices. You can save videos to the iCloud Drive, stream them to an Apple TV via AirPlay, and everything integrates beautifully with Apple Photos, Mail, and Messages. While we wouldn't necessarily recommend iMovie for professional video editing, the friendly and straightforward interface provides everything you need to knock out a short, good-looking video. And as the app comes free with your iPhone anyway, there's absolutely no reason not to give it a go. Number 4. Kinemaster Pro. Kinemaster is a top-notch, pro-level video editing app for Android, supporting multiple layers of video on supported Android devices, images and text, as well as multi-track audio. It enables you to trim video clips and layers precisely at frame-by-frame granularity, while audio clip timing can be adjusted with subframe accuracy. Kinemaster also offers instant edit previews, precise volume envelope control, color LUT filters, speed controls, chroma key compositing, and 3D transitions. It's free to download, but note that with it adds watermarks to videos, which you have to take out a subscription to remove. Number 3. Luma Fusion. If you're looking for professional level editing on your iPhone or iPad, then out of all the video editing apps on this list, LumaFusion is the one to go for. Aimed at mobile journalists, filmmakers, and video producers wanting to capture footage while on the move, it offers 6 video or audio tracks for photos, videos, titles, and graphics, plus an extra 6 audio tracks for narration, music, and sound effects in an interface that will be familiar to Final Cut Pro users. It's incredibly feature-rich, offering native support for 4K UHD, insert overwrite capability, keyframing, color correction, full support for PAL at 25 frames per second upon export, a fully featured audio mixer, lossless export, support for vertical video, advanced title creation tools, and more. Number 2, GoPro App. If you have a GoPro, then the GoPro app is for you. This most intuitive of video editing apps makes it easy to automatically import your footage and create videos synced to music in just a few clicks. You can add photos and time-lapse sequences to your videos and impress your friends with gauges and graphs to show how high and fast you went. Create video clips to share on YouTube and Facebook and go through frame by frame to find the ideal high-quality still that will want to make viewers take a look at your clip. If you subscribe to GoPro Plus, you get access to a huge variety of extra soundtracks, and you can auto-upload photos and videos to the cloud for editing anywhere. Number 1, Adobe Premiere Rush. On first encounter, Adobe's professional video editing apps such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Audition can be a little intimidating. However powerful these tools are, there is definitely a considerable learning curve, and newbies wanting to knock out a quick video for YouTube, Snapchat, or Instagram stories will often be looking for something easier to pick up and play with. So last October, Adobe launched Premiere Rush, which is designed specifically for anyone wanting to process video clips quickly and upload them to a social network. Available for free on iOS, Android, and desktop, the app is designed to be easy to use. That's obvious the moment you open it up and see a simplified interface featuring large icons and panels, making it especially great for touchscreen use. And when you come to start using it, typical tasks like adding videos to the timeline through drag and drop or mixing in background music are intuitive and fuss-free, involving the minimum number of clicks. The app offers 4 video and 3 audio tracks for editing. As you'd expect, its export options are optimized for every social media platform you've heard of, including Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Vimeo. Alternatively, you can just export the video to your local machine or save it to the cloud so you can access it on all your devices. Overall, this tool is by no means as powerful as Premiere Pro, and you wouldn't want to make a feature film with it. But if you're just putting together relatively short and straightforward online videos, it's going to have everything you need. Thanks for watching.